Welcome. iPhone is an iPad Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into DFU mode. And before we get started, you will need a couple things. Number one is the cable that is connected to your computer. Have it somewhere ready on the side. And the second thing is iTunes. If you're using Windows, you will need to download it from Apple website or store. And if you're using Mac, well, then you're all set. It should be already pre-installed on the device, and once you plug in the device, it will automatically open. Now, I already have it open, so I don't even need to do anything. All I need to do now is just plug in the device, let it show up. So I connect whatever. Just connect it so it actually shows up on here. Okay, there it is. So once you see it actually being here, what we will do now is hold power and home button for 10 seconds, and in that process the device will turn off. And keep paying attention to the iTunes, because on there you will see that after like 10 seconds it will show up as recovery mode, while the display of the tablet will be still basically black, looking like it's still off. And there's two ways that you can do it. Either you can start by powering off the device and then holding power and home button, or you can just hold it right now and it will just basically be the same. The difference is if you hold the power and the home when the device is off, you will see it light up and then go back dark, meaning like once it goes back dark, it will be in the DFU mode. And here you will not get this, so it will be constantly black. So we'll do it the other way, which is from device while it's on. So power, home button, hold it for about 10 seconds. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power button, keep holding home. And soon it should show up in iTunes. There it is. So the device is now in DFU mode, and as you can see, there is no indication on the display. It's just black, looking like it's completely off, but the device is already in the DFU mode. So if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is just hold power and home button again. So hold it for basically again the same amount of time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so at least 6 seconds is enough. And now the device will just turn back on normally. Just tap on cancel. Okay, and as you can see, we're back in the tablet. So I'll actually show the second way as well, considering it's not that long. So the second way you would want to do it is, let me actually make this connect to iTunes again. Okay, so there it is. As you can see, it's connected. So start off by actually powering off the device. So hold just the power key and then slide to power off. Wait for it to actually shut off, and once it has, which is right now, as you can see on the iTunes, what we will do is basically again hold power and home button. So 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds we let go of power. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go of the power and keep holding home. And as you can see, it just showed up. So now it's again in DFU mode. And to leave it, you do basically exactly the same thing, which is hold power and home for another 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is enough. Basically hold it until it disappears from iTunes. So and I'll just cancel it. So yeah, those are basically the two ways you can access the DFU mode on the device. But basically both are similar. and both get you in the same place. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.